Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Filter Magic. ProTeam Filter Magic is a professional strength filter cleaner used for removing oil, scale, organics, and grime from sand, cartridge, and diatomaceous earth filters. This product is comprised of a complex formula that contains wetting agents, surfactants, cleaning compounds, and release agents. It quickly loosens and removes oils, combined organic matters, calcium deposits, and biguinide polymer material. Filter Magic can be used as a backwash or as a soak cleaner, and it is compatible with all types of sanitizers. Best of all, Filter Magic is made right here in the USA to ensure the highest quality, allowing you to buy with confidence. Product benefits: retains the full efficiency of your filter, improves water clarity, helps protect pool equipment. If solution re-enters pool, will not affect pool chemistry. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.